Right, time to film YouTube video. We're filming part 2 first because we went to where I was going to film part 1, but like the field was all built up, whatever. So we're going to film part 2. This is about Vinny Jr. and his like transformation of how he went from like a failure to one of the best players in the world. Right, filmed the bit of the video here. Pretty straightforward, just talking about decluttering the mind for footballers, which is like super important, and raising their self-worth. So many footballers nowadays just have a cluttered up mind with so much negativity and like from social media and video games and bad people and bad friends and all that kind of stuff. So it's important to teach footballers how to declutter it, and then we do that by connecting back with nature, getting grounded, as you can see, and just like raising your self-worth with positivity. So a lot of people ask me what's like the aim with natural footballers and like the ultimate goal. I guess it's just to become the best in the space, in the niche, and just to help footballers unlock their full potential and just kind of give them the advice and tools that I wish I had when I was their age, 12, 13, 14 years old. But yeah, just to become the best in the space and help footballers get pro trials, get into pro academies, and ultimately just sign for pro clubs, really. I mean, that's the ultimate goal. Just get people results and then your credibility goes up.
As we all know, Vinny Jr. is very talented and athletic. I mean, that's why Real Madrid signed him in the first place.
A few moments later.
Cool. So that was part 2 of the YouTube video done. Pretty straightforward. Just giving a bunch of value in the YouTube videos. I think that's super important. A lot of people with content nowadays try and like sell all the time, just sell. No, you got to give value, and you got to kind of share your secrets in content like Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube videos. You got to share your secrets and give some sort of value. Now I'm going to head back home and do a bit of editing. I've got some like admin stuff to do and like upload some other YouTube videos. So yeah, let's head back home. Right, back at home now. Good filming session with the YouTube. Just staying consistent with it, and obviously just making killer videos. That's the main thing. Like, quantity is important, but end of the day, quality is what matters. So now I'm gonna put like the footage onto the SD card reader, get it onto the laptop, and then just move it over to the hard drive so it's all safe and doesn't bung up my laptop. And obviously I have more space on the SD card, so yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah guys, look at this thumbnail that I made. Look at that, that's crazy. I did that myself. Obviously I got the AI off a software, but thumbnails are pretty straightforward to make. I made that one, made that one. So yeah, thumbnails are really easy to make. Made that one as well with the AI, it looks sick. So just makes the video better, and then you obviously track the data, see how well it does. Do these ones as well, AI character. I think this one looks sick. That's crazy. So these are for my unfiltered YouTube channels. I have Natural Footballers Unfiltered, where I just kind of talk about topics and just kind of solve problems for footballers in kind of like a raw, unfiltered way. And then I have Harvey Davies Business, where I just kind of talk about business type of things, how to get more followers, how to get more views on Instagram, how to do stuff like this. So yeah, it's just all really good and good value, of course. Okay, work done for now. Just uploaded a couple videos on YouTube to be like scheduled and so they can get posted in my early morning. And did some like thumbnails, just playing around with AI and stuff like that. It's quite fun. But the laptop's quite hot now, so we better let it rest for a bit. But for now, I'm just gonna read a book. I might go for a walk and get outside and just kind of enjoy the fresh air and stuff like that. As it is summer over here, even though the weather is still pretty, like, not the best, it's still quite cloudy out there, but we'll probably go out there and go for a walk, so I'll catch you there. Right, change of plans, decided to go out and play some football because it's more fun. So this is obviously the first vlog of the year, 2025. And a lot of you may be asking, like, Harvey, what's your plan this year? What are you doing, like, you know, content-wise? What's your kind of predictions? What's your just overall plans with life and stuff like that? And to be honest, like, I don't really like set goals or plans or do anything nerdy like that, because I feel as though when you set goals, like even goals like 1 year goals, 3 year goals, 5 year goals, which a lot of people do, I think that's just stupid because you're just too worried about that goal. You're too worried about that 5-year goal. I think you should just take each day, day by day. And then, like, if you have a purpose, then motivation will just flow from that. Obviously, people set goals to get motivation and get them out of bed and all that kind of stuff, which is cool, but I'm not really like that. I can just do it without even kind of trying, you know? It's just like my purpose is to create content, build natural footballers, as I said previously in the video, and just, you know, make it the best football page and, you know, academy, I guess, on the internet. If you just set a simple to-do list and you have like a week, you could have like weekly goals, like I want to create 3 videos this week or whatever, then that's cool. But have your to-do list every single day and just do something every single day, 1%, and you'll get there in the end. Right, back at home now. Just had a good kick around of the football and also just played like 1v1 against some of the kids there. Just good fun, and I feel mentally just more like, I feel refreshed, and I think that's important for entrepreneurs or just busy people in general to get outside and do some exercise. I was running around, playing around with the footwork, you know, 1v1 against someone, a bit of competition as well, so just kind of gets that adrenaline going and good dopamine, obviously. But now I'm back at home. I'm just gonna finish up a bit of work. But yeah, I'll see you when I film part 2 of the YouTube video. See ya. Right, it's the next day. So we're filming part 2 of the Vinny Jr. YouTube video for Natural Footballers. So we're here at a different pitch now. It's good to change up the scenery, and this is all about filmmaking and directing and all that kind of stuff, just changing different camera angles, different scenery, different pictures, whatever you're doing. So that's important to make it more attractive for the viewer with the eye. And you can do anything in football, and this is what all top footballers have. Messi, Ronaldo, Mbappe, Neymar, Bale, they all had high self-worth, and this is what it takes to become like the best. Right, video done. About 12 minutes of footage all together. So now I send that off to the editor, get it edited, get it nicely done, and yeah, it should be good. Hopefully it can go viral like our last video, which got 50k views. So yeah, hopefully this one can go well. I got good vision for it, if that's the word. So now let's head back home and get it all to the editor. Let's go. All right, back at home now, had some lunch. Been doing some work for over an hour now, but now it's time to transform my room into a studio. But first I need to clean up these clothes, put them in the drawers. So let's do that, put some music on, and yeah, get lit. Let's go. No new friend, I'm going with my game. Bitch, I'm all about my money, I don't play. Tension between us just like we. Alright, so it's all coming together now. It literally takes like 10 minutes. But you know, I've got these green lights here now, as you can see, or I might change the color. So I've got some colored lights and got the camera there. So yeah, time to set it up. And yeah, just start recording, get the scripts up. Okay, and the last step is to put on my AFC Bournemouth training top, which gives me the credibility because I got a trial at AFC Bournemouth, a Premier League academy, so I need to wear this so people know who they're talking to and that I know what I'm talking about in my videos. Because at the end of the day, I got the trial, so you may as well tell people and, you know, use it as credibility, because everyone wants to get to the Premier League at the end of the day. I did when I was a kid, so I reached my dream kind of, and so yeah, I wear this top in my videos. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, the behind the scenes of making a YouTube video for Natural Footballers, my main business, my main channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna record these videos now. It's gonna take probably about an hour, to be honest. I gotta film like a few reels, and I gotta film a video for the parents because my audience are quite young. So they obviously don't have the money to spend on a program and private coaching from me. So they got to go ask their parents. So that's why I'm creating a parent video. So the parents know I'm real and not a scammer or anything like that, which is good. So they have full trust in me. But yeah, got to film that and film a few reels, and then we're all good to go. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click here if you want to watch another day in the life where I run through a bit more of an interesting day in the life. I actually go outside and do some random stuff. So make sure you click that video there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.